was racing, now it's falling in line. The world doesn't feel so heavy when your hand finds mine. No pressure in the silence we keep, just a rhythm I don't have to fight or beat. It's easy breathing next to you, like I finally slowed my mind. Every worry fades a little, every moment feels kind. I don't need the perfect words or a reason to stay. It's easy breathing next to you in the simplest way.
Lights hum outside like they're in on the truth. That peace can feel this natural when I'm close to you. We don't fill every second with something to say. Some connections feel strongest when they're quiet that way. No fear hiding in between, just a comfort I didn't know I needed. It's easy breathing next to you, like the air knows my name. Every heartbeat finds its place, nothing feels out of frame. I don't need the future map or the past to explain. It's easy breathing next to you, and that's more than enough for me. If the world starts spinning fast and the nights feel long and loud, I'll remember how it feels when everything slows down. It's easy breathing next to you, even when the lights are low. Like my chest remembers how to rise and fall on its own. No big promises to prove, no lines I have to choose. It's easy breathing next to you, and I don't wanna lose that truth. Right here, nothing to do, just easy breathing next to you. Radio low on a Friday night, windows down but it don't feel right. DJ says it's a love like forever's true. I reach to change it, thinking about you. You used to sing along without a care, now every word hits somewhere bare. Funny how a melody can know your name, bring it back like it never changed. I still flinch at love songs, like they're calling out what went wrong. Every harmony feels like a trap, pulls me back to what we had. I try to breathe, but it hurts too strong. Yeah, I still flinch at love songs. Grocery store out, speakers hum some slow dance beat from where we're from. I smile at strangers, act okay, but my heart skips a beat the wrong way. You used to say that song was us, now it's just noise and too much dust. I thought time would turn it down, but it turns it up when you're not around. I still flinch at love songs when they promise what don't last long. Every chorus feels like proof of all the things we never knew. I move on, but something's wrong. still flinch at love songs, but I don't turn them off as fast. I let them play, let the tears run dry, let the memory pass me by. I'm learning how to be strong, even if I still flinch at love songs. Radio fades, the night moves on, heart still healing, song by song. I walk past the corner where we used to fight. Every shadow whispers your name at night. The coffee still tastes bitter in my cup, like every little memory I can't give up. I thought I healed, thought I moved along, but the same old cracks keep proving me wrong. Every time I try to stand, I fall again, like your ghost lives inside my skin. I keep breaking in the same places, hitting the scars I thought I erased. Every love song feels like it knows my pain, pulls me back to you again and again. I tell myself I'm stronger than yesterday's traces, but I keep breaking in the same places. Your laugh lingers where the sunlight hits, every corner of this house still fits. I rearrange the furniture, try to start new, but the echoes still lead me right back to you. I tell my friends I'm okay, I'm fine, but they don't see how I cross the line. Every time I breathe, I feel it crack, like loving you left me unfinished, half-packed. I keep breaking in the same places, walking the roads we swore we'd chase. Every photo, every song, every trace turns my heart into a familiar space. I tell myself I'm stronger than yesterday's faces, but I keep breaking in the same places. Maybe one day the cracks will close, maybe I'll learn to let you go, but for now I'm caught in this loop of pain, falling for the same heartache again. I keep breaking in the same